out here with the Tello. You know, I got to bring this out of the mothballs every once in a while to get a flight with it, just to see if it's still working. Now, I don't know about you guys, but on my Tello, every time that I turn it on, after it's been off for a few weeks, it always says, oh, update available, and then you download it, and then you go to put the update, and it says you already did it. So I don't know why mine does that. If yours does that, let me know. Let's start some video. Okay, it's recording. Let's take off. Mine does that every time. Because I only turn this thing on every once in a while. And it'll say, oh, update available. And then I go to do it. And it says update, you already did it. Or update complete or something like that, you know. Or update finished, or I don't know. It says something like that. But it doesn't do the update. It already knows I already did it, so. Yeah, it's very stable. I'm trying to get some steady video because I can never get decent video with this thing because mine has like lag galore in it. But Ken, you know, he can make his Tello look like Mavic Pro video. I don't understand how he can do that. I can't do it, but he can. There's a damn robin over there. Let me go here and mess with these robins. Now, I don't think the Tello, I think the Tello is actually noisier than the Anafi. Because I went right up on that robin with the Anafi and it didn't even budge for 15 or 20 seconds. It was basically sitting right next to it. Let's see what these robins do. They're right there. I'll try to inch over to them a little closer. Oh, they're running. Get back here. I'm up. He took off. Okay. He took off. Oh well. Let me put that. I'm going to try to slow it down here to see if I can get any smoother video with this thing. So I slowed down the speed of it. But the Wi-Fi signal is dropping in and out, so I'm going up on this robin again. He sniffed out the Tello. Oh, there goes my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi on this thing, it drops out pretty regularly. I'm up there about 40 feet now. I'm just trying to get the video to stay working. Basically, that's what this flight's about. Just trying to get some decent looking video, because I never can get any good looking video with this thing. I'm not Ken, okay? Ken is the master. Yeah. In the slow rate, it flies smooth as glass, okay? But it's real slow. That's why it's the slow rate. Now, in the fast rate with mine, it has lag galore in it. Yeah, definitely the slow rate is what you want to be in when you want to do some filming of or doing some video. I can tell you that, because in the fast rate, it has a really good pitch and it just tips down, so all you're going to be doing is seeing the ground for the most part. At least in the slow rate, it doesn't throw the camera too far down, so you can actually get some decent looking video. So that's probably where I was screwing up at first, messing around with this thing. I always had the fast rate on because that's what I like to do. I like to gun it, you know. So I could never get any decent video with this thing because I was always pitching it too fast and too much. I was flipping it around, or, you know, I had to pitch on too high and it would dive down and bounce back up and make the video look like crapola. So I'm going to cut the video now. It's been running for 8 minutes. So I'm going to cut that now to save that and just ride out the rest of the battery. Okay, it says land as soon as possible. Okay, so we'll just do that. All right, so there it is, the magnificent Tello. Magnificent. Yeah, it flew good. Actually, this thing flew better this time than it probably ever has for me on this flight right here. It flew good, so keep it in a little bit lower, that lower rate And I think I'll be able to get some better video. It's probably my fault I was getting crappy video with this thing because I had it going too fast, too much bitch. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.